Whoever painted eating one's cake and having it back as a bad thing? Given the unfathomable risks patriots take every time they step into a battlefield, it's high time we looked at the ways in which we can see to it that a nation no longer suffers casualties at warfront. Well, the US seems to be a step ahead of others in this one. They've built an army of robots that changes everything. I guess by now you know what to expect, so without further ado, let's take a look at 10 fully advanced robots the US wants to make an army of. Atlas. The US deserves a ton of accolades for this one. You too might want to be excited. You'll know why after watching this. With the introduction of Atlas, the US Army has taken enormous strides in ensuring life doesn't have to be too difficult for us humans. Atlas is a bipedal humanoid robot primarily developed by the American robotics company Boston Dynamics with funding and oversight from the US Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA. The robot was initially designed for a variety of search and rescue tasks and was unveiled to the public on July 11, 2013. In April of 2024, the hydraulic Atlas, HD Atlas, was retired from service. A new fully electric version was announced the following day. You'll agree with me that some tasks on the battlefield are sometimes too difficult for human soldiers. That's where Atlas fit in perfectly. Here's a quick rundown on some of Atlas' capabilities. Atlas is capable and has been proven to drive a utility vehicle at the site, travel dismounted across rubble, remove debris blocking an entryway, open a door and enter a building, climb an industrial ladder and traverse an industrial walkway, use a tool to break through a concrete panel, locate and close a valve near a leaking pipe, connect a fire hose to a standpipe and turn on a valve. The new fully electric Atlas, revealed in 2024 following the previous model's retirement, is designed to be a commercial solution for industry environments. Atlas is based on Boston Dynamics' earlier Petman humanoid robot and is illuminated with blue LEDs. TH is equipped with two vision systems, a laser rangefinder and stereo cameras, both controlled by an off-board computer, and has hands with fine motor skill capabilities. Its limbs possess a total of 28 degrees of freedom. Atlas can navigate rough terrain and climb independently using its arms and legs, although the 2013 prototype version was tethered to an outside power supply. The new fully electric Atlas, revealed in 2024 following the previous model's retirement, is stronger and possesses a wider range of movement in comparison to its predecessor. It can also move beyond the human range of motion. The new Atlas is based on the previous Atlas's progress, building on its history of previous innovation. The new robot's design is more humanoid and upright, and also has a head illuminated by a ring light on its face. It will also have different gripper variations to handle objects, a more than perfect trait required in a war zone. Atlas represents a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, demonstrating an impressive capability in mobility, balance, and manipulation. The implications of deploying Atlas go beyond just combat. These robots could change war missions, especially if they seem so Herculean for humans. 9. Autonomous mini-robots. These are small robots that can operate independently. These types of robots don't need human intervention for maximal operation. They are small and equipped with sensors, algorithms, and power sources that help them function independently. These robots are built to perform tasks like surveillance, environmental monitoring, search, and rescue. For its effectiveness, it features cameras, infrared sensors, ultrasonic sensors, GPS, and IMU. Interestingly, its small size will enable it to navigate difficult terrains properly, even more than humans. 8. Ghost Robotics. V60. The Ghost Robotics Vision 60, V60 Quadruped is a mid-sized, high-endurance, agile unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, designed for defence, homeland and enterprise applications. Manufactured by Ghost Robotics, a developer of quadrupedal robotic solutions based in the US, the all-weather UGV serves as a robotic dog, based on the biomechanics of a dog. It uses artificial intelligence and rapid data analytics to detect and counter threats to military assets in space and possible attacks with missiles or other means. The V60 robotic dog can be used in unstructured urban and natural terrains. The Ghost SDK allows for customization of the behaviours and autonomy applications of the V60. Ghost Mobile, an Android mobile application, can be used either on a standalone basis or with joystick controller add-on. It enables mission control and record playback automation and diagnostics, video and sensor management. The Ghost Autonomy software provides safeguard avoidance to reduce collision risk with objects and object recognition. The V60 uses Wi-Fi and dual SIM 4G/LTE communications, with 5G connectivity currently in trials. 7. Bear. The Battlefield Extraction Assist Robot, Bear, is a remotely controlled robot developed by Vecna Robotics for use in the extraction of wounded soldiers from the battlefield with no risk to human life. The humanoid robot uses a powerful hydraulic system to carry humans and other heavy objects over long distances and rough terrain, such as stairs. Work on the robot commenced in 2005, and it was featured in Time magazine's Best Inventions of 2006. Vecna Robotics wrapped up development and testing for applications on and off of the battlefield in 2011. The Bear is a 6 feet tall, remotely controlled humanoid robot, powered by a hydraulic actuator. It can lift as heavy as 500 pounds. The Bear can carry a wounded soldier far away from a hazardous environment to a place where a medic can assess their injuries safely without risk to the medic's life. The Bear is slim enough to fit through doors, and the Bear's tracks enable it to climb stairs. That's not the only interesting thing about this robot. The Bear's strong hands are precise enough to grasp an egg without breaking it. Vecna's roboticists designed the robot with a teddy bear face to provide those being rescued comfort and reassurance. Dynamic Balance Behaviour, DBB technology, gives the Bear the ability to maintain balance in any position, even while carrying heavy objects. The initial versions of the Bear were remotely controlled by a human operator who was able to see and hear through the robot's sensors. Developments to the Bear's AI have given the robot the ability to process higher-level commands given by an operator. Also, a soldier may also control the Bear through a device known as the iGlove. The motion capture glove, which Anthrotronics has developed, allows the soldier to make a simple hand gesture to command the Bear. The latest version of the Bear robot has infrared, night vision, and optical cameras as well as a microphone. 6. Eagle Prime. Meet yet another masterpiece from Boston Dynamics Eagle Prime, a robust and versatile robot designed for lots of applications. It is wheeled with a sturdy frame and capable of carrying very heavy payloads. It can navigate through warehouses, war scenes ruined by debris, and other environments. Eagle Prime is so sophisticated that it can pick up and place objects with precision. This gigantic robot is equipped with advanced sensors and perception systems that enable the robot to detect and respond to its environment. 5. GuardBot. A surveillance robot, dubbed GuardBot, is able to maneuver on any terrain and even has the ability to swim. GuardBot uses a patented drive mechanism produced by a motorized pendulum that propels the unit by changing its center of gravity. This design allows it to easily provide forward and backward motion as well as make 360-degree turns. The robot is fitted with 2 cameras, microphones and GPS, and is controlled remotely by satellites. It comes in a variety of sizes, ranging from as small as 5 inches to a model that is 7 feet in diameter. Its advanced battery-powered pendulum motion drive system can operate continuously for up to 25 hours on one charge and reach speeds of up to 9 miles per hour on land and 3 miles per hour in water. The custom battery itself can last 45 hours while stationary. Although GuardBot is still under development, it could cost as much as $100,000. Its uses could be applied in military circumstances. The system is based on a rotating rubber ball and can be remotely controlled by an operator. GuardBot features 2 payload bays which can carry various sensors to include video, night vision, a laser spectroscopy for explosives detection, audio and radio surveillance. The system has an endurance between 4 and 6 hours and can operate on grass, snow, mud, sand and water. The system was demonstrated to the Marine Corps in 2012 at Quantico. In January 2014, GuardBot was successfully deployed from a watercraft at Naval Amphibious Base in Little Creek, Virginia. Its spherical shape offers unparalleled mobility, allowing it to roll effortlessly across land, sand, and even water. This makes it ideal for situations where traditional wheeled or tracked robots struggle, such as uneven terrain or hazardous environments. Its mind-blowing capabilities extend far beyond simple movement. With 14 hours of battery life, it can operate hands-free for extended periods. This opens doors to a wide range of applications, including security patrols. The bot can be programmed to autonomously patrol perimeters, buildings and fields, acting as a tireless security guard with a 360-degree view powered by dual high-definition cameras. Live video streaming. The robot can be equipped for live video broadcasting, making it ideal for situational awareness in remote locations or during critical events. Environmental monitoring. Equipped with various sensors, the HAV-11 can monitor hazardous materials spills, weather conditions, and other environmental concerns, providing valuable data for decision-making. The HAV-11's aquatic prowess makes it perfect for tasks like harbour security, beach patrols, and underwater surveillance. These robot workers can augment human efforts, venturing into challenging environments and performing critical tasks with unwavering dedication. 4. SAFA. SAFA, which stands for Shipboard Autonomous Firefighting Robot, is a 2-legged or bipedal humanoid robot designed to help researchers evaluate the applications of unmanned systems in damage control and inspections aboard naval vessels, supporting the autonomy and unmanned systems focus area in the Navy's science and technology strategy. While the Sapphire program showed enormous promise and broke new ground in how we might envision firefighting efforts aboard ships in the future, the program itself has evolved. Today, the Office of Naval Research is using the knowledge gained in the original Sapphire program to work on new and more advanced robotic prototypes, ones that emphasize much better mobility and autonomous capabilities to better navigate in tight spaces and perform additional functions aboard naval ships. 2 prototypes being worked on currently in that regard include Nadia, partnering with IHMC in Florida, and Draco, partnering with University of Texas and Uptronic. The intent is for these newer and more advanced prototypes to be ready for experiments in the next year, addressing not only firefighting aboard ships, but also hazard removals and overall shipboard maintenance. The robot is being designed to move autonomously throughout the ship, interact with people and fight fires, handling many of the dangerous firefighting tasks that are normally performed by humans. The robot should be able to maneuver well in the narrow passages and ladderways that are unique to a ship and challenging for older, simpler robots to navigate. It is being designed with enhanced multimodal sensor technology for advanced navigation and a sensor suite that includes a camera, gas sensor, and stereo IR camera to enable it to see through smoke. Its upper body will be capable of manipulating fire suppressors and throwing propelled extinguishing agent technology, PEAT, grenades. Battery-powered, the robot holds enough energy for 30 minutes of firefighting. It will also be capable of walking in all directions, balancing in sea conditions and traversing obstacles. 3. Guardian XO. In 2019, Sarkos unveiled the Guardian XO, a strength-multiplying exoskeleton. The company planned to start shipping its first batch of alpha units to customers, including both heavy industry and the US military, in 2020. The company hopes that future XO versions will be able to walk outdoors over challenging terrain, through a foot of mud, and in the rain or snow. This robot enables operators to lift and manipulate up to 200 pounds, 90.7 kilograms, repeatedly. Battery is hot swappable for continuous operation. It reduces the operator's metabolic output and physical strain by offloading up to 100% of the exoskeleton's weight during use. It possesses joints not capable of exceeding human range of motion, so they can't bend or twist in a way that would injure the operator. Hands-free mode allows the operator to lock the suit's arms and simultaneously complete dexterous tasks requiring human hands, while carrying a heavy load. 2. Big Dog. Big Dog is a dynamically stable quadruped military robot that was created in 2005 by Boston Dynamics with Foster Miller, the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and the Harvard University Concorde Field Station. It was funded by DARPA, but the project was shelved after the Big Dog was deemed too loud for combat. Big Dog was funded by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, in the hopes that it would be able to serve as a robotic pack mule to accompany soldiers in terrain too rough for conventional vehicles. Instead of wheels or treads, Big Dog uses 4 legs for movement, allowing it to move across surfaces that would defeat wheels. The legs contain a variety of sensors, including joint position and ground contact. Big Dog also features a laser gyroscope and a stereo vision system. Big Dog is 3 feet long, stands 2.5 feet tall, and weighs 240 pounds, making it about the size of a small mule. It is capable of traversing difficult terrain, running at 4 miles per hour, carrying 340 pounds, and climbing a 35-degree incline. Locomotion is controlled by an onboard computer that receives input from the robot's various sensors. Navigation and balance are also managed by the control system. Big Dog's walking pattern is controlled through 4 legs, each equipped with 4 low-friction hydraulic cylinder actuators that power the joints. Its locomotion behaviours can vary greatly. It can stand up, sit down, walk with a crawling gait that lifts 1 leg at a time, walk with a trotting gait lifting diagonal legs, or trot with a running gait. The travel speed of Big Dog varies from a 0.45 miles per hour, 0.2 m/s, crawl to a 3.6 miles per hour, 1.6 m/s trot. Built onto the actuators are sensors for joint position and force, and movement is ultimately controlled through an onboard computer which manages the sensors. Approximately 50 sensors are located on Big Dog. These measure the attitude and acceleration of the body, motion, and force of joint actuators, as well as engine speed, temperature, and hydraulic pressure inside the robot's internal engine. Low-level control, such as position and force of the joints, and high-level control such as velocity and altitude during locomotion are both controlled through the onboard computer. Finally, 1. FLYAR Cobra. Teledyne FLYAR Defense, part of Teledyne Technologies Incorporated, NYSA TDY, announced at Eurosatori the launch of its new Cobra 725 modular robot. The tracked multi-mission platform delivers new capabilities and technology upgrades to the Cobra 710 unmanned ground system, with the lift capacity and mobility customers demand for operations in the harshest conditions. The Cobra 725 provides unmatched power and payload support in an easy-to-operate package. The robot's advanced manipulator arm can lift heavy loads and stretches to a height of nearly 4 meters to access hard-to-reach places. At less than 250 kilograms, the rugged Cobra 725 is highly maneuverable, even in rough terrain, climbs stairs, and even surmounts Jersey barriers. New technology includes full HD cameras, wide-angle visual thermal mobility cameras, field-swappable radio modules, and AES 256 encryption. Cobra 725's features make it ideally suited for military applications such as explosive ordnance disposal, EOD, / counter-vehicle-borne IED missions, remote CBRN detection, weapon integration and reconnaissance, as well as other tough jobs from building safety and hazmat inspections to nuclear power maintenance. Do you think with the emergence of these new inventions in the near future, there won't be a need for human soldiers anymore? Or do you have doubts? Do you think these robots will go rogue someday? Head straight to the comments section and let us know what you think. That'll be all for today. Please like the channel and hit the subscribe button to stay connected to our amazing array of awesome content. See you in our next video. Bye.